Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Wednesday, September the 17th. Well, that was a comeback. Another bounce off those lows. E-mini S&P had a low at 1978.5, so just about the same level as the day previous. Went straight up 15 and 3/4 points on the day. 1991.5 was the close, which is above the midpoint of this recent high to the low sell-off, so that's important from a technical standpoint. The Dow added 109, 17,054, two strong days in the Dow, and the Nasdaq bounced back as well, up almost a full percent, 32 and 3/4 points at 40.58, recovering that big sell-off, that big unwinding that we saw on that mixed market session. The dollar was down 17, 84.23. The euro currency up 24 at 129.69. Bonds steady, down 3 ticks at 136.01. The big mover of the day, crude oil. Crude oil was up $2 at 94.90. We talked about that bottoming with a higher low here the day before than we had last week, the 16-month lows last week. So we're seeing somewhat of a bottoming formation just above the 90 level. Yesterday's high was 95.19. Gold got a little bit, was up $1.50 at 12.37. Not making new lows is the news there. So after the positive action yesterday, where do we stand here on this Wednesday morning? Well, we're unchanged right now, 1991.5, unchanged in the E-mini S&P. The high is at 2003, so we're about about 10 points away from the all-time high there. Dow futures up 5, 17,059. The Dow is actually much closer to its highs. The Nasdaq's down 3 at 4055. 4103 is the high in the Nasdaq future, so we still have a little bit of climbing to do there. The dollar's relatively steady, 84.24 up 1 tick. 84.52 is the high in this December contract, so we're still remaining strong there. The euro currency is down 6, 129.63, but holding above the 129 level. Bonds are up 8, 136.08. The yield 334 and 257 in the 10-year note as we go into Fed Day to keep an eye on that. The crude market is off a little bit here. We're down 30 cents, and gold is up $1. So to wrap up the current action, with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're unchanged in the stock futures. In the E-mini S&P, we're up 5 in the Dow. I will see you early Thursday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.